Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to explore more on one of the very useful module on OCA library, that is under OCA account financial reporting, and the name of module is partner statement. So let's jump into the practical aspect. When we are launching any Odoo modules and we see any customer profiles, normally what we get like the invoice list which are due, overdue, or which are pending payment or such things, as well as we can share the outstanding report based on the follow-up level. So these are the things Odoo gives as it is. Now I have already loaded this particular repo like partner statement in my Odoo library, and then it requires this additional two modules which you can find from OCA library. You will see these details in my video description. And I am just installing that module right now in my Odoo version 18, that is partner statement. As soon as I am done with that, and if I am opening any customer information, then over here we can see the standard things which are available. Okay, and then when I go to user profile, I have to give the additional access right, like use activity statement and use outstanding statement. Those two things I have to give as an access. Now if I go and open my customer profile over here, then over here you can see partner activity statement, either receivable, payable, and show only overdue or aging buckets, age by days or months, whatever you need, and accounts to exclude. Then you can see the complete report on one click, like entire statement according to the condition which you have set, and in bracket of the months which we have selected, that aging you can see for this particular partner, that is activity. Then we have partner outstanding statement report. Okay, so over here we can see receivable and payable both, and then I can export to PDF also. So Odoo can give this report into PDF over here, and this is called the outstanding statement report. And then we can have the third one, like partner detailed activity statement report, and then I haven't enable anything by default, and if I view, it will show all the miscellaneous entries, it will show all the invoice and credit note, and it will show all the payment reference, which I can see as a combined of all. So this is how we can see the deco edit, which is not paid if I make any payment right now via bank. Okay, and then if I run my detail activity report, okay, then here you can see this invoice particular thing and the ending balance also. So this is how I think we can create the partner statement very easily. From this we can print, and we can also use the Excel download. So I can see aging buckets and I want only overdue, and if I want account to exclude, I can give over here, and I can export to XLS format also. So this is how you can easily bring this report into Odoo using this particular OCA free module and create your own statement in own format with outstanding payable and things over here. So this module is available for free under the Odoo OCA branch, which you can download and install very easily with some dependent module from OCA. Hope this will help many people to set partner statement and its respective things very easily in Odoo. If you have any question, please reach out to me on my YouTube, LinkedIn, or email. Thank you guys.